Menteri Rangba Kajalau Dr. Mukul Sangmau la pria patba ya ka training program kumnu ban kin tiawi ki long kmi bat ki samla bakin yeng halagi jong ki jan ling ba ka skill training halor ka zardozi craft but skill rural entrepreneurs on Meghalaya specific souvenirs mementos hakini ke chinga lang kabla long ha madan laban sports club lai dan ringkat lang u principal secretary commerce but industry uba PW Ingti u Commissioner but Secretary Social Welfare but Tidakhar u Director Commerce and Industries MB Roy but Kiwi kat kum kecing thu ba ingti kidan hadu kharas pangot kinong sai kai kibla dep ban register ila dia ban pentebet hapo ka zardozi craft kaban ne andrew banai kat ba ha ka Meghalaya specific souvenirs mementos ka ba ki course kan long tang ar bat lai banai kidan hadu saus pa prapongot kibla dep ban register u Dr. Mukul habakaren kumukongsan loong bakajing penlong ke sarkar ya kini ki program kalong banang kentiu syusyu ekasam kapa kisamla kidon badru bakinla ban yeng halagi jong kijan
The government has embarked upon creating opportunities for entrepreneurship, and this particular sector has been identified as a potential area which can open up lots of spaces for entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship cannot happen on vacuum. I'm very happy that we have today NIFT in Shillong. We also have the courses on fashion technology being given through our Polytechnic Joy. And it's also very heartening to see many of our young ones from the region and our own state. And therefore, as we see as to how this particular skill has evolved over the years, and how today this opens up an opportunity for entrepreneurship. I'd like to congratulate the Department of Industries and Commerce for having tried to keep the timelines, because I wanted this to be launched on time, because we have here two disciplines of skills. One is the Jardoji and another one is to have Meghalaya specific souvenirs. We're trying to create this state as a destination. And there must be enough items for people to pick up as souvenirs and go back. And with the growing number of people showing interest to visit Meghalaya, again it becomes incumbent upon the state to create an ecosystem where people will have that kind of access to souvenirs which is comparable in terms of its finish and fairness from global standards. And if you look at another space that is again various decorative items for Christmas to ensure exclusivity and enable our skilled workforce to work from home.